Good morning, children. So here we are with our new video. This video is specifically based on a few questions from the exercises. So I will be using my whiteboard completely, children, so that I can explain the processing of that. Now that day we were doing one question which says Gopal covers a distance of 50 centimeter with each step he takes. How many steps should he take to cover the distance of half a kilometer? Now, here, if you see, Gopal covers, this is exercise 8.2, children, page number 145, and we are on question number 3. Now, Gopal takes or covers a distance when he takes a step. You can write the statements the way you want. Is equals to 50 centimeters. Distance he is covering is 50 centimeter, which can be also said as half meter. Correct? Now, oh, I'm sorry, it is 50 kilometer. Half kilometer, which is also equal to 500 meters. And 500 into 100 is equal to 50,000 centimeter. Now, why centimeter? बिकॉज यहाँ पर भी ये सेंटीमीटर में दिया है तो इसको भी सेंटीमीटर में लाना है. Then only some kind of operation is possible between the two numbers to find out how many number of steps he has to take to cover the distance of half a kilometer. Now, I hope, children, you all have taken the screenshot and you all have shared it because I am going to the next board. So we saw in the last board that the distance covered is 50,000 centimeter, and in one step is equals to 50 centimeter. So basically we have to divide 50,000 into 50, 50, 50, 50 centimeter. So equal distribution is called as division. So this becomes 1,000 steps, isn't it? We are dividing this 50,000 into 50 step each time. Equal distribution. So we are going to do division. So I hope this question is clear. Then I am going to the next part. That is exercise. Rest all of course I am doing during the live sessions. ये वाला भी किया था मैंने लाइव सेशन में, बट कुछ बच्चों को नहीं समझ में आया, so I did again. Page 147. This is the word problem and it's question number 2. Okay. Question number 2 says 500 grams of cashew nuts can be packed in a packet. 500 grams of cashew nut can be packed in a packet. How many boxes of cashew nuts can be made from 8 kg of cashew nuts? 500 grams of cashew nuts can be packed in a box. How many boxes of cashew nuts can be made from 8 kg of cashew nuts? Now, children, here now I'm not writing the statements, two values is given. Half if 500 grams, another value that is given is 8 kg. Okay. Now, to do any sort of operation, we need both the values into same number of units. So let this 500 grams be as it is and H be 8000 kg. Okay. Now, why do we need this? Now, from this 8000 grams, every time we are withdrawing 500 grams of cashew nut. From this 8000, I'm every time withdrawing 500 grams of cashew nuts. Now I'm withdrawing 500 times of cashew nuts to put it in a box. So that means I'm doing equal distribution of this 8000 grams into 500, 500, 500 every time. So that means I have to do division of these two numbers so as to get the number of boxes. Now the number of boxes will be 16. That's it. 16 boxes of cartons will be made with 500 grams of cashew nut in each of it. 15 boxes of cashew nuts will be made with 500 grams of cashew nut in each. Another question. Exercise 8.4C, solve the word problems. A doctor gives a cough syrup bottle to a patient. If the patient had to take 10 ml of the syrup every day, how many times, how much syrup did the patient consume in a week? Okay, how much syrup did the patient consume in a week? Let's see. Again, I'm reading the question. A doctor gave a cough syrup bottle to a patient. The patient had to take 10 ml. Sorry, first I will write the exercise number and page number. Exercise 8.4, page number 151. And the question is 2 of the C part, word problem. Okay, so a doctor gives a cough syrup bottle to a patient. If the patient had to take 10 ml of syrup every day, how much? How much syrup did the patient continue in a week, consumed in a week? Now, in a week, there are 7 days. Okay. Every day the patient is taking 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml, and so on. So if I go on adding, I can get how much syrup the patient has consumed. Instead of doing repetitive addition, I will just say 10 ml into 7 is equals to 70 ml of the syrup will be consumed in 7 days. Now, children, I don't have much more to cover here because every single exercise we are doing in the live session. So, you know, many questions I want to do it on your own. Then many questions, few examples I'm discussing in the class, and then allowing you all to do it in the class. So please try these questions thoroughly with you, and rest, of course, we will be doing during the live session. Of course, this is little short video, but these three questions were important to explain, जो कि live session में जो the students who are doing online classes, it gets difficult for me to explain them. So that's why I took three important questions now in this particular video recording. You can see, and of course, during the live session, when I'm doing with my children, whatever gets into your brain, you can accept it. So, children, I'm stopping my video here. Please watch this videos, understand the question, and go ahead with the other word problems. And of course, we will be doing it during the live sessions. Thank you, children, and have a good day.